So hello everyone, my name is Janet and you're watching the C channel. So in today's video I will show you how to effectively clean your smartphone at home. So let's not waste our time and start the video. First of all, to clean your smartphone, before cleaning your smartphone, you should always power it off. After that, just take out any cover if attached. Then take a microfiber cloth or a soft napkin type of handkerchief or napkin. Then you will need something like this, a smartphone screen cleaner, or Collin will also work. If you do not have any of these, then you will need then you can use water also. Then directly, please do not spray on the phone. First of all, spray it on the microfiber cloth, keep it aside. Then rub the phone with the cloth. Do it with the camera housing also. Cleaning your smartphone is very important because your smartphone is dirtier than your toilet. It's true. Then clean the front side. Clean the sides, top, other side, bottom. Then to clean some difficult parts of the phone, you will need this kind of earbud. Just spray a little bit of it on the earbud. Sorry. Yeah. Now just where you have sprayed, now just clean the earpiece like this. Clean the edges of the camera housing like this. You can also clean the charging port, headphone jack, but be careful while doing this. Clean the speaker also like this. Do not wash your phone with water even if it is waterproof or IP rating is there. Okay, then after doing this with the earbud and the microfiber cloth, then take a dry cloth, wipe it with the dry part of the cloth, wipe the phone. It is necessary that you clean your smartphone every alternate day. Yeah. Now you're done. Then if you want, you can wash your cover with water, but I will not wash it now. Then you can put your cover now and turn on the smartphone. You are done. So thank you for watching my video, and do not forget to clean your phone. After cleaning your phone, then only like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.